bago ma-take out yung high na yan dahil sa sobrang laki niyang long red candle na yan. So, what are we expecting with Goldify? We're expecting Goldify to consolidate at this level, probably above this trend line kung makikita po ninyo. So, nasa SR flip area, above this trend line, possible na mag-consolidate muna yan dyan, dribble. On a bearish side, kung magko-collapse po ito, meron tayo nakikitang support sa previous SR flip area. No? Ito po yung area ng 4,200 level. So kung makikita nyo po yan, so pwede niyang tamaan ito kung magko-collapse. Okay? Pero I think this will hold itong area po na yan kung sakasakaling susundutan ito. No? So pwedeng maging needle bottom lang yan at hugutin tayo until we digest all the selling pressure that came from this candle. Ngayon, as you all know, we are trading gold actively and we're just using the 1-hour time frame using our TIPI trading system. So, may mga opportunities po dyan kung makikita ninyo, and may mga clues tayo na pwedeng makita in the immediate short term kung ano yung pwedeng mga maging plays. So, we're using the 1-hour chart kay Bitcoin and kay Goldify. No? And this is the TIPI trading system using 1-hour chart. Kung makikita nyo, red cloud na tayo. Okay, so yung red cloud po na yan, magiging resistance yan. If you're a bull, you need to see gold take out this red cloud. Okay, mag-trade siya above that red cloud or probably above the 4,400 level, which is the previous resistance. Kung makikita nyo rin, no, hindi mo na kailangan mag-drawing na resistance dahil si TIPI bibigay na sa iyo. Yo. Ayan yung green line. No? So, kailangan i-take out ito ng mga bulls. Alright? Kung hindi matitake out successfully yan ng mga bulls, of course, as mentioned, konso tayo.